Alrighty, here we are at 1110 Mount Rushmore Road. This is the little rental I've been working on for quite some time. Probably put way too much money into this than I should have, but it's a solid little place now. It's all been replaced, everything's been done. We got off-street parking here for 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 cars. You're in the alley area here, some nice old historical homes around. Walking distance to downtown. So we raised all this area here, put a car parking area just so you get your vehicles up off the road. It's on a good sized lot, 0.16 of an acre, so a normal sized residential lot, where most of the other ones on this area are all 0.08, so they're normally only half. So still waiting for the grass to come in, still got to do a little bit of landscaping, a little bit of stucco on the outside, and we'll probably paint. It's got a brand new roof, brand new gutters, brand new sewer, brand new plumbing right the way through, brand new electrical. So we'll go into there's 2 one-bedroom apartments, one up, one down. So we'll go into the upstairs first. This is the upstairs apartment. So you can come in, a large kitchen area, big kitchen for an apartment, gas stove, plenty of cupboard space, nice big fridge, although that one blew up the other day, so I've got to replace that. Extra little pantry, hidden pantry area here, a chalkboard on it so you can write love notes to yourself, tell you what you forgot. And you come through into a nice big large living area, hardwood floors all the way through, so you've got a dining. Still got to clean it a little bit more and get some mop and glow on this floor to get it up nice and shiny. Good sized living area, as you can see. Comes around off the kitchen here. And then this heads out into the Mt Rushmore Road entry. Still got some construction stuff in there, so a little mud room. Front door steps up from the pathway on Mt Rushmore Road, and you keep coming through. A little linen closet in here, and you have a full brand new bathroom, shower, vanity, new toilet, and then you come through into nice big bedroom. Hardwood floors all the way through. As you can see, it's a nice big room, and this one has a walk-in closet. So nice, good sized single 1-bedroom apartment. Gas forced air heat. And we'll come around and we'll go back down into the basement apartment. Now the basement has all new foundations. This area here that you're coming down to is the shared laundry. There's a new washer and dry going in here. We've got sump pumps and drain tile put all the way through. Brand new poured concrete foundation. All the floors were redone or re-poured with drain tile. You come down into the apartment here. So you've got like a little entrance area here. The 2 tenants will share the laundry. Then you come across into the apartment. The apartment is all brand new. Everything in here is new. So we have bedroom. It's about a 10 by 11 bedroom. Walk-in closet. Still got to put up the hangers. Has an egress window. And then there's another sump pump on the outside just for good measure. Behind this door there is the furnace room, hot water. Water shut off, all the utilities. New kitchen, gas cooktop, double sink, a microwave and coffee area just here. And you come through. Good sized living area. It's not huge, but it's big enough for a small apartment. You come in, you have a brand new bathroom, vanity, toilet, shower area, and then this one has a walkout to Mt Rushmore Road. So you can get out through here. We'll go back around. Still got to do a little bit of work out here, but this is the outside. This is Mt Rushmore Road. I'm going to run a little white picket fence along the front here, same as my neighbour. And hopefully we can get the grass cut in. Still have to do a little bit of stucco just on this edge here where we replace the foundation. A little bit of stucco repair there, and I'm going to re-concrete the steps in, the front entrance to the upstairs apartment. There's a little bit of settling there on the steps. I'm going to knock all those bricks off and relay them. Down here we've got drain tile coming in here. Going to put mulch or rocks down through the side here, and a couple of little shrubs and trees down here just to make it look nice. And then I'll probably end up painting the whole thing. Downstairs is already rented out, and it looks like we're working on a new tenant for upstairs. Was originally going to sell it, but given all the work and effort I've now put into this, I think it's worthwhile just keeping it and getting some rental income out of it for a while. Yeah, so there you go, 110 Mt Rushmore Road, apartment A and B. Oh, plus there's storage up under the steps here. Nice big storage area in here. So it'll have a new fridge in there, new stacked washer and dryer in here. It's all on breakers. It's a new sewer, new electrical, new flooring, new foundation. There we go. Finished. Almost.